We're introducing new capabilities that expand how and where you can use Copilot for Power BI to engage with report data. Whether you're chatting with your data, receiving a report subscription email, or even viewing reports in PowerPoint, Copilot helps you see key takeaways, learn what matters most, and ask meaningful questions, all while remaining grounded in the trusted report visuals. Updates in this blog include: ask data questions to your reports and chat with your data experience. Superlative, aka ranking, question support for report questions. Narrative summaries and subscription emails. Narrative visual enabled in export to PDF/PPT static scenarios, subscriptions. The idea behind these updates is that they allow users to ask about and read about report data across many surfaces. Narrative report capabilities will meet you where you're at. Ask questions and get answers in chat with your data. We recently announced the Chat with Your Data experience. We've expanded the experience to make it even more useful and report-aware. Previously, Copilot could provide high-level summaries of report data and answer questions from the semantic model. Now, it goes a step further. Ask questions and get answers in chat with your data. You can ask Copilot natural language questions directly about report data, and it will generate answers using the actual visuals from your report, those same visuals that authors intentionally designed to answer real business questions. Copilot will render report visuals in the Chat with Your Data experience as part of the responses for clarity and transparency, making it easy to trace insights back to the data. Report answers/summaries can now handle superlative/ranking questions more intelligently, e.g., which product had the highest sales? If visuals in your report can be sorted, like bar charts, tables, or matrices, Copilot can sort and surface that data to answer with accuracy. Smarter email subscriptions, Copilot summaries plus narrative visuals. Recently, we announced that report subscriptions can be enhanced with Copilot summaries. Subscription emails can include a Copilot-generated summary at the top, offering a high-level overview of major trends, patterns, and KPIs. This summary is automatically tailored to the report content and provides helpful context before diving into the report. We're excited to announce that in addition, any narrative visuals embedded in the report will now render inline in the body of the subscription email. These narrative visuals are key parts of reports and provide targeted, human-readable insights, making it easier to digest the report at a glance. Whether you're a stakeholder scanning your inbox or a user looking for quick insights, these updates reduce the time it takes to get oriented and increase the value of your subscriptions. Narrative visuals now included in exported reports. Lastly, we're making it easier to preserve narrative insights when sharing reports externally. The narrative visual is now supported in PDF and PowerPoint exports via the Export a Screenshot, Static Data options in Power BI. This means reports that include smart narrative summaries can now carry that context forward when exported, ensuring that the story behind the data remains intact for all audiences. These updates are part of our broader vision to make Copilot a seamless companion throughout your Power BI experience, helping you quickly understand, navigate, and communicate the value of your data. More exciting updates are on the way, including one of the most anticipated, filtered report responses. Copilot will be able to understand filters in your questions and respond with filtered data. Stay tuned.